Give us some tips on how we can have a successful mediation, and then what kinds of conversations we should avoid due to family dynamics. I'm sure you've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. So what should and shouldn't we do?
I think the first step is when you are sensing any resistance or any sort of emotion around these conversations, understanding, it may be a good idea to have someone neutral who understands this space help us have a conversation. To plan for mediation, I always ask, who needs to be a part of the conversation? Who is going to want to have a voice? And I want to get all of those voices in the room for that conversation, bringing any important information to the mediation, or if any of the individual family members have done any kind of research or have questions, bring those to the mediation. I'm going to help you to understand what plans need to be put in place, what questions need to be asked. I'll navigate the conversation. I'll help you all keep that forward-looking approach to the process, but I will also make sure that everybody has an opportunity to share their thoughts in a way that honors and respects everybody else so that we can make sure that everyone feels seen and heard and like an active participant in supporting the person who's aging. Right. So it very much is counseling, but I am not trained as a therapist, a mental health counselor. Sure. And the counseling is a solution-oriented counseling. A mediator is a neutral party. Yeah. So I'm not making the decisions. Sure. I'm helping the family to find information, generate options, and they make the decision. And that distinction is really important, is I'm not the one making the decision. I'm just helping them know what to consider or what they may want to consider with the expertise I have so that they can make the decisions.